So we're at Summer Palace right now. Mom likes Chinese, so we're getting Chinese. I'm telling them that you like Chinese, so I decided that we're getting Chinese. So at Summer Palace. This is my first time here, I saw Rushcam post food on his stories, and I was just like, oh my god, that looks so good. So I asked him where it was, and he said it was here. So now we're here. We just not too long finished, you know? Not too long leave the restaurant, and right now it's so windy, guys. It is so windy in this is how you know that it's cold like overseas. Whenever it's windy on the island and chilly, you know say it's cold, because we're getting the cold front. Like, I'm wearing a crop top right now, and you know. But anyways, we're at Mega Mart right now. What a way to end our day out, right? We go at the restaurant and we're now at Mega Mart and we're going home. After I was like, yeah man, we're gonna go to a cute little bar or something, and then we're gonna get ice cream at Devon House. Yeah, we're just like, listen, we're gonna go to Mega Mart and buy a tub of ice cream and go yard. Yeah, that's enough outside for us. Guys, you see the height difference between me and mommy? I'm wearing heels, but you're still short, and the height difference is even more pronounced. It's so funny. We don't really need anything, because, you know. Yeah. Yes. Awesome. Hello, people. Welcome back to another vlog. I am currently heading into Kingston, and I don't vlog that much anymore, so I feel so awkward vlogging now. Oh my god. Can't do this. But anyways, I'm heading into Kingston with mommy. It's Saturday, and we're back on our regular Saturday outing program. Really? I was waiting for your comment. But me and mom's birthday just passed, and we were saying that we need to start doing this again. You guys remember in the vlogs when we used to go out like on a Saturday? Yeah, we're back on that program now. It wasn't every Saturday, but like probably like once a month we'll have like one of those vlogs that was just basically us on a Saturday, like heading into Kingston and doing all kind of things. So that's what we're doing today. It's kind of late though. It's like after 2. So stay tuned to see where we go. This is just gonna be a cute little Errands vlog. It's after 3. Yes. It's just gonna be a little Saturday vlog today. So hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and welcome back to the Island Diaries vlogs, guys. You guessed it, we're at Active. Every Saturday vlog with mom starts with Active, right? Anyway, so we're at Active because mommy Wait once again. A bed head, and we need a seat for the living room as well. Yeah, so we're gonna look and see what like small couches they have. There's a small black one. I don't remember if I showed it in like a previous vlog when I was doing my room that they have. So so this couch, it's very cute. I was saying to mommy initially that I wish I had the space in my room for it because I would have gotten it. So it's like a single seat and it's made from leatherette, I guess. And it's very nice. But now that we kind of redoing the living room, we kind of thinking to get something like that because it's small, it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it also provides seating, you know. So yeah, let's see if it's still here. Huh? Let's see. Are these day beds? Oh, this is okay. Oh yeah. That's true. I like these. So this is the chair. This is very low, but the black one wasn't so low though, was it? I don't think it was. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like the black one was so low. Or maybe because it looked different because it was like a leatherette, so yeah, I don't know. Didn't get anything that we wanted to at Active. Like we didn't really see any chairs that we were interested in or bed heads, but I did get coffee, so small victories, right? We got coffee and we got carrot cake. Cafe Blue has like the best carrot cake, hands down. Don't argue with me. You gonna eat it now? Wanna try? Oh. Yeah, they have the best carrot cake. I love it. Them, and I also like the carrot cake from Kyoto Cafe as well. Kyoto Cafe's carrot cake is really good. Okay, we're at the next spot. Oh my gosh. Sorry. We're at Discount Beauty and it is easy in here as usual. Might have to mute this. Look at the music in the background. bust. We went inside there, and when we were picking up all the stuff and got ready to join the line, we realized that the line literally go around the store. So mom's gonna come back on Tuesday and then buy that thing for me, buy her stuff, and the one that I showed you, the Aussie Miracle Curls leave-in. I want to try it because my hair really likes Aussie shampoo and conditioner, so I'm gonna try that. Outside hot though, it hot bad. No sir, to the hot bad. What's this at? Jesus! And you know, it's funny because it was just a few, probably 2 weeks ago, where it was really cool here in Jamaica. I think they were having snowstorms overseas. Were they having snowstorms? I think they probably were, because whenever it's really cold, in the north, it gets really cool here on the island. And it was so nice. So a week, it was really cool. People were like, oh my god, I'm so cold. Everybody was wearing jackets and everything, and of course it's not that cold, but Jamaicans, we're extra because we're not used to it. But now it's so hot now. And while I complain about the heat, I'm sitting in the car drinking a hot cup of coffee. Oh, you can do the new number too.